Welcome back for my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Market Analyst at Hantec on Tuesday 28th of April. We're going to look at gold now. Gold has broken down below the pivot line at 1702. We've been speaking about this pivot line quite a lot recently because I think it's been a pretty important level, certainly in the last few weeks. It was the old breakout level from March, which started to become supportive and then has since, in the last 2 weeks, become what I increasingly am seeing as the midpoint of a trading range. Just sort of hanging back on this hourly chart, you can see that basically that we've been trading around this. You form little top patterns above the pivot line, breaking down below it, and then you form a little base pattern below the pivot line, breaking back above it. Implies a move back to the top again. And yesterday into today, we've sort of been gradually falling over again and fell below that pivot line 1702. And I think that this is becoming a chart that the bulls are not in control of anymore. We've had two negative candles in a row, and I really don't like these long-tailed downside moves. I think that suggests that with the market still falling and you're getting these long-tail downside moves, that's the sellers testing the water and sort of breaking the resolve of the bulls effectively. And moving below 1702, I think effectively takes us into neutral area. Even though we've just rallied back above 1702, I really still don't like how this chart is developing now. You've got these sort of faltering momentum indicators which are a worry for me, especially the MACD lines, but also the RSI just drifting over again, stochastics as well. I just think that the bulls have lost control of this, and you sort of check out the fact that, I mean, I've been positive on this gold run for a while now. I'll just put you a little trend line in which we had originally, and then that got broken. But interestingly enough, that broken trend line became effectively the basis of resistance for that rally, and now we've sort of effectively broken another trend line if you really take 2 points of contact as a trend line this morning. That downside move broke, and it's just sort of beginning to lose steam, and I think the momentum indicators are reflective of that, and the fact that we're starting to sort of form more ranging characteristics on the hourly chart, RSI between 75 and 25. Because of that, you just tend to get a little bit less positive about the outlook. And yeah, I'm just sort of going neutral on a near-term basis now on gold. And I think that would be sort of backed up if we did see a close below 1702 especially. But yeah, I just think that I'm just not convinced by this gold bull run at the moment now. I think there could be sort of setting up for a bit of a choppy phase of trading. Risk positive moves tend to now be gold negative as well, which is not ideal when the markets are breaking out on risk. So yeah, interesting times for gold, but less positive certainly than I was. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and also go to our website where you can sign up for our webinar.